Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After the screen wakes up, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and if you see it, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called Haptics. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we have haptic strength. Select it, and right here we can scroll through the list of vibration levels, and we can select one of them. None is basically the vibration will be completely turned off. Soft, it will be very soft, or barely recognizable. Then we have medium and strong. Select the one you like and then tap on OK to confirm. You can also turn on or off the haptic for the crown, and once you're done you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.